Hi, Shivan. Uh, I can't see you.
Yeah, just a second. Um, the camera. Okay, Shivan. Yeah. Who is? Uh, can you see us now?
Yeah. Hello, Shivan.
Uh,
How are you doing?
Good.
Doing good. All right. So, we are having a demo session today, uh, for English reading and writing, and then we'll be doing some maths as well. So, with what would you like to start, maths or English?
Your choice. Yeah.
Maths. Okay. So, let us begin with maths then. All right. So, I would just show you some interesting stuff in mathematics. Probably you may not have gone through that. So here is something. What if I say, like, have you heard about human calculator?
Yeah.
Who are they?
ChatGPT?
No, 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 no. Yeah, I'm asking about human calculator. So they are not
It's
chat GPT, but human being, real human beings. So what if I, yeah,
ChatGPT.
yeah,
No, it's
uh,
not human. It's machine. Hmm.
yeah, human calculator, real human. So there are people who calculate faster than calculator. So we call them human calculator. So mathematics is an interesting subject when you see it from great perspective. So I'm just going to show you some of the stuff like this. These can be faster than a calculator. For example, I give you a number, this, and I ask you that how long would you take to calculate it? Just give me an idea.
9 into 285. Like 2 minutes.
2 minutes. What if I say you can solve it in 3 seconds? Would you believe? Okay, so let me tell you the answer. Like 284, and then this would be 715. Do you want to know that how it is solved?
How?
Okay, just check it on calculator. Is it correct or not?
It's
Is
correct
it?
or not? Yeah.
Okay, so do you want to know how it's done?
How?
Okay, so the rule is very simple. Whenever we are having a number containing 9 as all the digits, and that is being multiplied with any number. So we just do this thing first. We subtract 1 out of the number which is being multiplied with the number 9 and a 9, and then we get the result, that is 284. So that is the half part done. Have you got this?
Yes.
Okay. Now what we do actually, we subtract this out of this triple nine. So you see, like 999 and 284. When you subtract this, what do you get? So
Seven.
9, yeah, 7, and then 9
1 5.
minus, yeah, 1, 5. Did you get the concept? Okay. If
No.
I, you did not get the concept. Okay.
He means that he got the concept, but he didn't know about it.
Okay. All right.
Right?
So, yeah, saying something?
Hmm.
Okay, so I'm asking you a question and I want your answer over it. Let me see if you have understood, then you can answer this question. Tell me what will be the answer. Tell me now. First half part.
251. No.
No, 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 no. Okay, so I'm just telling you once again. Firstly, what we do, we subtract one out of it. So we can simply write this number, just subtracting one at the end. So this 7, 2, 5, and then this, what it will be equal to. 2 minus 1 is equal to
1.
1. Great. So now that part has been done, and we know then this is to be subtracted from 999. So can you tell me the second part now after this? Like what will be here? 9 minus 7 is equal to,
2.
yeah, the next fast.
709. No, 708.
Sorry, 7 and then 9 minus 5. This is 5.
It's not 5 minus 5, it is 9 minus 5.
Yeah.
That looks like a 5. Okay, okay. 9 minus 5. Wait. 2, 7, 4, 8.
8. Great. Okay, I guess now it is a little clear to you, or you will take time.
Yes.
Okay, let's try this one. The concept is very simple. I would make you understand once again. You simply subtract one out of it, and then you need to subtract the resultant data out of 999. So you may tell me the answer now for this.
555 minus, no, 554 minus 1
553. Wait,
is
no, 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 no.
553.
553, yes.
Then 999 minus 553 is
Yeah.
3, 4, no, 3, 4, um, 6.
9 minus 5 is equal to
4.
4. And then next again,
Oh, 4, 4, 6.
4, 4.
6.
4, 4, 6, because this is 3 now. Yeah, got it. All right, great. You have understood a little more. So to check this again, I would give another number, that is 9 multiplied by 7 5. Can you give me the answer?
Fast. 75 minus 1 is 74.
Yeah,
99 minus 74 is 25.
yeah, great. You may clap for yourself because you just got it. Clap for yourself. Clapping.
I'm
You know.
clapping behind the chair.
Okay, so that's how we could calculate it more faster, right? So I hope you like it.
Bye, Shivan.
Did you like the
That's
concept?
enough of clapping. Yep.
Okay, so now I would showcase another way. Like this is for 999. Okay, something else I would like to tell you. Firstly, I'd like to ask you that how many tables do you know?
I know 12, 13, 14, 15, 13. 13. Okay. 13.
13. Up to 13. Okay, great. What if I tell you, like, you can tell the table to anyone, like from um, 1 to 100 easily without cramming it up? There is a way possible. You can tell the table of any number between 1 to 100 easily without cramming it up. Do you want to know that
Wow.
method, Shivan?
That's some magic. No.
Hmm. You don't want to know? Or you just
No.
Okay.
I want to know.
Okay. So here is something, for example, 45, and you tell me that how many times shall we get the table of it? 45 times? Give me a number.
12.
12. Table does not include out of 10. Like we go up to 10
No,
only, right?
9.
9. Okay. Great. So now we need not to use pen or paper. We need just to go with the observation. So just look at this. Firstly, we will multiply this number into it. You know fourth table. So 4 9 is equal to,
What is it the same method?
yeah,
No, different.
tell me, like
36.
36. Yeah. And because we know, do you know like this is ones and tens, a place value?
Yeah,
So we can keep this data like putting 0 here. Are you getting my point?
yeah.
And then we will multiply with this. Now you tell me, 5 9
45.
45. And then we will add with this number, and then the result would be 360 plus 40 is equal to 400.
405.
Yeah, great. So that's how we'll be able to solve. Okay. So another data like 33 threes are, that's easy. Can you tell me the answer? 3 threes are,
9.
and then this is 0, and
9.
then we'll add like 9 99. So this can also be directly told, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So there is another perspective I would like to show. Like the same question, 45 into 9 can be done in this way. 4 9 ja 36. And then we will not write 0. We will just simply consider, okay, there is a one digit uh, has to be written here. But now we'll go like 4 5 are 45. Okay. So we know this is one's place. Only 5 can be written here. The 4 will be carried forward, right? So this will become 405. So that is another way to see this. And in this, like we have simply done like 3 threes are 9, and then we know like one digit has to be taken place here. So then 3 threes are 9. So that is the answer. You're getting it or not? Just let me know. A
No.
little tricky? A little tricky now? Okay, it's being a little tricky. No problem. I guess probably you have to work with some concepts in addition as well, because that is coming on the way likewise. So if I say you need to um, add this data, can you tell me directly without using pen or paper? No?
What is it? 140?
140.
40?
Great. Can you tell me your perspective? How did you solve this?
77 plus 63. You do 3 plus 7 plus 3 is 10.
Yeah.
Carry the 1. Then
Okay.
7 plus 6 is 13 plus 1 is 14.
There is another
Mm,
perspective to see this question. Look at this, Shivan. There is another perspective to see this question. That is like we have 3 here. So we will give 3 to this. This will become what? 80. And then this will become 60. So we know 8 and 6 is equal to
14.
14. So that is 14, and at the end 0. So 140. And in this also there is another perspective, like 8 needs 2 to be 10. So we will give 2 to this, and then we'll subtract here 2. So this 8 plus 2 is 10, and then this is 4. So 10. These are the small steps. This looks to come on a table with lengthy stuff, we can guess. But when we are applying this, our calculation becomes faster when it goes with practice. Okay, so that's how our
Mm.
perspective should change at looking at the maths. Okay, so when you see maths in this way, then calculation becomes easier. Okay, let me show you another thing that may boggle the mind of many. Like this is multiplication 105 into 105. Again, this will take time if you solve it with a traditional method, but this can also be done with an ease. Do you want to know the answer?
Yeah. How fast you can do that?
Yeah. So here we will write this number. So just tell me like this 105 is uh, at what number ahead of 100? 100 plus
Awesome.
100
100 plus
plus
2.
5.
105. 5.
Yeah. So what we do actually, we just make two sections. This side we will get two digits because this is 100. 100 always have two zeros, right? So this side we need to write two digits and this side the half part. So how we are going to calculate it? We will just multiply these two numbers. So 5 times 5 is
25.
equal to, yeah, 25. We will always write two digits here. If let's say if there would have been 5 only, then we would have written like 05. Okay, always two digits at this section. So now this section will be done in this way, like we will be adding this data. So, or this data, both are same. So cross adding, the 105 plus 5 is equal to what? 100. 5 plus
100.
5. 100. 5 plus 5.
10.
Great. 10. So the answer is 11025. Um, I guess like you are just finding it newer, so there would be some problem as well. But if you focus, if you concentrate, this can be much easier. Children do this in much easy way when they understand the concept. Okay, I'm asking another question like 104 multiplied by 104. Can you solve it from the same perspective? We can write in this way. Can you tell me the answer? What will be the answer? This side multiplication. So,
16.
yeah, and this side add,
16. Mm-mm.
no, just add it. 104 plus,
8.
yeah, 108 and then 16. So, the answer can also be found in this way. Look here, child, Shivan. So, answer can also be found in this way. So, 104 plus 4 we will see from this angle. 104 plus 4 is equal to 108 and then 4 4s are 16. So I can directly write the answer 104 is equal and 4 is 108 and then 16. That is the answer. Okay. Let me show you another question and look how I'm solving it. So this is 109 and I will simply add with this another 9. That would be 1 and 99. Can you tell me? 109 plus 9.
109 plus 9. That's 117.
No, 118.
Yeah.
118. 9
9
Okay.
plus 9 is 80. 0 plus 9. 109 plus 9 is 80. 118. I
Okay.
heard 109 plus 8. Okay.
No problem. So this is 109 plus 9 is equal to 118. And then we'll multiply this 9 9 ja. Can you tell me what is 9 9 ja?
Huh. 9 to 9. 81.
81. So 9 times 9 is 81. That is the answer. I see like the calculations are not being understood in good way. So there you need to work on more practice because I guess some basic stuff has to be understood first. That is addition, multiplication in simpler way, right? You are studying in sixth grade, right, Sivan?
Yeah.
Okay. So these are some ways that you can have in calculation, so that becomes much easier. Okay, so now I'm coming to the part of squares. Do you know squares? What squares are? What is the square of 2?
4.
4. Great. So squares can also be solved in easy way, like 25 into 25. Like this is the square of 25. Do you know the square of 25? Okay, so I'm telling you another way that to see this question. Like whenever any number ends with 5, we can apply a method, that is the observation, that we will multiply this digit with the next number coming after it. So the next number coming after, just after 2 is, do you know what number comes after 2?
3.
3. So we will multiply with this 3.
Okay.
2, yeah, 2 3s are 2 3 times
6.
6. Yeah, 6. And then we will write 25 simply, like 5 5s are 25. So this will be the answer. So first digit has to be taken in the way we will be multiplying this digit, this number, with the number coming just after it. So 2 3s are 6, and then 25 will keep. So same you can apply in 35 into 35. What is the square of it? Like 3. And what is the coming number after it? 3 into what comes after 3?
4.
4. So multiply 3 into 4. 3 times 4 is equal to
12.
12. And then we will keep 5 5s are 5 5. 5 times 5 is
20.
equal to 25. Great. So that's how you are able to solve. Now, what about 45 is a square? Can you tell me?
um,
Multi yeah, 4. What comes after 4?
5.
So now multiply
20.
4. Yeah, 20. And then at the end, 25. Simple. Can you tell me now 55 is a square? What comes after 5?
6.
6.
30.
So 30 and then
35.
25. At the end, always we will have 25 because this is 5. 5 5 is 25. So at the end, you need not to calculate even. You simply write 25 because this ends with 5. So we will write 25. Okay, now this question, 65 square. Square of 65. Can you tell me that? What comes after 6? What comes after 6?
7.
7. Great. So now multiply 6 times 7.
42.
And then at the end, what we'll be writing?
25.
Yeah, great. 4225. Now you achieved it. One last question. 75 is a square. Just tell me about this. What comes
8.
after?
56. 25.
Great, great. Wow. Clap for yourself because you just mastered this skill. Sivan, clap for yourself.
Stand up. Stand up.
Yeah. Okay, now just show me your face. Show me your face after this victory. You just won this and you don't want to show your
Huh?
face.
No.
Okay. All right. So this is the thing we can have, like the different perspective can help us making our questions easier. I hope you will love these concepts when coming in regular classes to make your concepts easier because um, this makes you faster in doing maths at your academic as well, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So now I would just go through this reading stuff and I want you to read so I can understand that how you are in this. Would you please read that from here?
What?
Yeah,
The giant crystal cave.
yeah.
What is the giant crystal cave? The giant crystal cave is an underground cave with the largest selenite
Selenite, yeah.
selenite crystals ever found until recently. Nobody knew it existed. The cave is the size of a football field out and as high as a two-story building. Some of the crystals are only 11 meters long,
Oh,
4
no, no,
meters,
no. That is are over, not only. Yeah.
not over 11 meters long, 4 meters in diameter, diameter and weight about 50,000 kg. Since the extreme heat and humidity are length, length,
Lethal. Yeah.
it is close to the public. Especially dangerous are the sharp, slippery crystals. The discovery. The, the cave was discovered in the year 2000 by miners. They were pumping water out of a mine when they stumbled upon this natural cave, 3,000 meters
300.
underground because 300 meters underground because the crystals deteriorated.
Deteriorate. Deteriorate. Deteriorate.
Deteriorate in air. Scientists are working on ways to preserve them.
Preserve. Preserve.
Preserve the location. The giant crystal cave is one of the cluster of
Natural.
cavities, natural cavities in the limestone rock near the Naka silver mine in the
Chihuahua Desert.
Chihuahua Desert, Mexico. Other caves in the cluster include
Yeah. Yeah. Read from here a little more. The chamber.
the chamber located below the giant giant crystal cave. It contains hot magma, which heats the water in the giant crystal cave. The cave is 70 meters in diameter
Yeah.
and has crystals up to 2 meters in length. The Queen Eyes Cave, discovered in 2000 at a depth of 300 meters, the narrow opening of the cave resembles an eye, hence its name. The Candles Cave, discovered in 2000 at a depth of 300 meters, the crystals have long, dilated structures resembling candles. The eyes policy, 150 meters below the surface, it was not flooded with water, so it has smaller crystals.
Okay. Now this conditions inside the cave.
Conditions inside the cave. It is deadly hot in the cave, around 50 degrees Celsius, 136 degrees Fahrenheit. Hot enough to cook an egg. A person can survive for only 10 minutes unless they wear protective clothing. When you wear an insult suit and gold breathing system, you have 45 minutes to explore. Furthermore, the crystals are extremely dangerous because they are sharp and slippery.
Yeah. Can you tell me on the
How did
basis of this paragraph that how long can a man survive without um, protective clothing?
10 minutes,
Okay, and with protective clothing, breathing system and all.
45 minutes.
Okay, now next, read it.
How how did the crystals form? According to scientists, there is a simple explanation for how these children formed. Firstly, the water heated up in a chamber below the cave. The hot water became saturated with minerals, mainly
Gypsum.
cave gypsum. Over time, this mineral-rich hot water filled the cave. For thousands of years, the conditions in the cave remained constant. As a result, the crystals grew in mid-sized w- white sub
While
submerged
submerged.
white submerged. The crystals continued to grow.
Great. Okay, nice. So this is the reading we have done. We came to know about the giant crystal cave, right? And
Mm.
knew about its discovery. Can you tell me how it was discovered and in which year it was discovered first? In which
It
year?
was
Yeah.
in 2000,
And how? Like it was
and
discovered with, yeah,
miners dug up the 300 meters down, and they found water.
yeah. Were they discovering this cave with a purpose, or did not have purpose? The purpose was simply taking water out. What?
They did not have a purpose.
Yeah. So this was found like with an accident or a coincidence, you can say. Right. So that you have understood, and now I would like to ask like the longest crystals found in this cave is having how long? What is the length of the longest crystal found in this cave?
It's 50,000 kilograms.
Yeah, and length is,
Longest. And length is 11 meters long.
yeah, and diameter is 4 meter. Great. So there are some words I have just highlighted for you. So selenite. Do you understand the meaning of selenite? Selenite is a form of crystal, like that is made of gypsum, right? And do you understand what crystal is actually? Crystal, you know?
It's like a diamond thing.
Yeah, okay, great. And lethal, this lethal means what? Do you know?
Mm.
Okay, so I have something for you. Lethal means basically dangerous, that causes death sometime, right? So I have written these words for you. So, like whenever we are having something, some reading, we have to go through some um, vocabulary section because that helps us understand the paragraph in more easy way. So this you can see, you can take a screenshot of this, so you may revise it later, right?
I'm taking a screenshot.
Now you can take a screenshot.
Just a second. Just a second. It is opening.
It's all right. If you are unable to take, I will share it. Don't worry. Screenshot.
I just got it.
Got
I
it?
almost got it.
Okay.
Yeah. Thank you.
Okay. So these words you can work upon. I see your reading is okay. You need to practice more for having great reading speed. Okay. So now you're doing better and you will do much better than this. Now coming to the writing part. So this what we have read. Now I'm having some questions here. Like write an explanation
Okay.
to describe how or why of doing or making something. Choose one of the topics below. How to safely explore the giant crystal cave. I asked the question that time, like, without protective clothing, how long a man can survive in giant crystal cave? Do you remember that?
45 minutes.
No,
Without.
without
Or
cl-
10 minutes.
10 minutes. Great. And with safety clothing and then cooling system, 45 minutes, right?
Can I go?
But
Yeah.
yes.
This continue.
Yes. Yes. You can stay up. Okay. Finish writing that. Now you have to write.
Bruh.
Yeah, bruh.
How to safely explore the giant crystal cave. You can give me idea. Do not write. Just give me theoretically. What have you understood?
Tell teacher.
I have understood that you can't survive. You can't survive. You can survive with 10 minutes without clothing and without and with clothing can survive longer.
Great. So this is what we have received from that reading system, right? We have got from reading material. Now, what happens in American curriculum? It demands creative writing. Like this is the shortest data we have got out of it. Now we have to make it a good paragraph. So how would we be doing? So now listen to me. There is a rule of five. This is the five rule. Like you can see my five fingers, including this thumb, right? So the first thing is that we need to find the topic sentence. Topic sentence. So the topic sentence could be like, um, the giant crystal cave is beautiful, but the most dangerous cave on the earth, right? Because we have that that magma and all, right? So that is much hot inside. And topic sentence is covered. Then you have three, these three fingers shows supporting sentence, the sentence which will support the paragraph, right? Then you will write the all data, and then this little finger shows like you have to sum up. You have to write conclusion, summary at the end. So that is the rule of five that involves in the process of creative writing. So to show you in just a moment, I have written this like how you would plot the sentences. The flow chart would be this. So the question is like how to explore the giant crystal cave. Shivan,
Hmm?
are you able to see here?
Yeah.
Yeah. So the question is like how to safely explore the giant crystal cave. So we will have these steps, five steps. Firstly, get a special permission to and have medical checkup. This is what based on our imagination. This is not from directly from the reading, right? So that involves creative reading, and creative reading is very necessary in American curriculum. I hope you understand, right? So you have to firstly understand, okay, I need to go there, so firstly I need to take permission, and I have to be healthy because that atmosphere is not, for normal people. And then second thing, when you go inside, you have to have protective clothing or insulated suit or cold breathing system to fight the heat, right? So this is the second idea. And third, you must understand like you have to travel that whole cave within the time period that is 45 minutes, not more than that, right? Because you can't survive more than that, even with the clothing system, protective clothing system. And then fourth one, like you will move slowly, carefully, because the crystals are very sharp, we could see in the picture. And then we will exit the cave before suit's cooling system runs out. So that is the plotting idea, like in this sequence will be working, right? I hope you understood this. So that's how we are going to do. Since time demands departure, so we could do this much only, right? We'll be doing all together in much efficient way. How do you like today's class, Sivan? A
Good.
bit challenging, or it's okay for you?
Yeah, it's a little bit harder,
It's a
right?
bit challenging.
Okay. Would you like to continue? No?
Yeah. Why do you like challenges?
All right. Okay. So we may communicate later. All right. Thank you very much
Yeah,
for
yeah.
taking to this
Yes,
session.
yes.
All
Thank
right.
you. Thank you very much.
Welcome.
Yes.